Here's a board designed entirely in EAGLE versus one with a custom silkscreen design in Adobe Illustrator. Check out those fonts. The process starts in EAGLE by enabling a specific set of layers I found help with the layout. There's a print a PDF option you'd think would be just the thing, but the output is weird and junky. I can't do anything with this. Trick is to use EAGLE's DXF export option. I've modified the script a little bit, and Illustrator is able to make better sense of these files. The DXF file only contains lines, arcs, and triangles, so there's an entire process here of converting this into solid shapes that we can then design on top of. This is like 15 to 20 minutes of work, which has been compressed into a few seconds here. Finally, we have something resembling the physical board, and next we can start designing our custom silk screen on top of this.